Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a video worth the hype on the Too Faced Diamond Light, and this is the multi-use Diamond Fire highlighter. And this is what the box looks like here. It is so gorgeous. I did keep the box because I find the box to be absolutely stunning. My friend got me this for Christmas. It's so beautiful, and it says on the inside it's your time to shine. And you take it out. I love the packaging. I know some people are going to say it's bulky. I think it's beautiful. It looks like a ring box when you go to open it. It says Too Faced here, and this is the highlighter. You do get a lot of highlighter in this. It's what I got on now. I absolutely love the way it looks. I hope it's coming off on camera so you can kind of see it. It's like this beautiful, like, iridescent, like, just beautiful, stunning shade. I'm going to try to see so you guys can make sure you guys get the full view of this. And this is so soft to the touch. You just want to keep touching it. But look at that. That is so stunning. Are you ready for this? Like, what? I mean, and it's still on my finger. Like, that is gorgeous. This is what I have on my cheek, as I said. I think this is beautiful. I believe this is like, this might be like $34 or something around that price, but it's stunning, guys. And it's going to take you a long time to get through this highlighter. But look at that. It is so beautiful. It's probably, honestly, like it's been my to-go ever since she gave it to me. I've been using either this one, using the Too Faced Love Light Blinded by the Light, and you think these are the same, but they are not. Let me use this finger, show you next to it. Like, on the top, this is the diamond, and then this is the Blinded by the Light, where the Blinded by the Light's a little bit more of that really pretty, like, pale champagne, and this one's more of that, like, white pearl iridescent. So gorgeous. Both these are beautiful. I find these to be, like, a beautiful, almost, like, wet look, gorgeous highlight. Like, look at that. It's stunning. I also use some of this to put in the inner part of my eye. I added to my Kat Von D look, if you guys saw that I'm posting this, making this way later in the day. I know my foundation probably does not look the best because this is literally like 10 hours later. But I did put a little bit in the inner corner just to kind of pop it some more because I just wanted to give my look a little something extra. Hopefully my makeup is holding up okay. The only thing I kind of wish that they did, wouldn't it have been cute if they did a little mirror, but then I do like how it has like that ring box look. I don't know, I think it's adorable though. I find it worth the hype. I think this is stunning, and I think if you're a really big highlighter fan, especially if you're fair skinned, that tone will look so pretty, I think. Just as a personal preference, but if you like tones like that, I think you'll love this. It's a beautiful formula, and this can definitely be blinding. Like, if you thought the prismatics maybe couldn't get as intense, this one can get intense. So if you want to be blinding, you can make this blinding. I think it's beautiful. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.